how to get object using HTTP request via Axios, right? Like this one. So if we run this now, we will get an object, array of object, right? It is a array of objects, just one object. So let's start now. How to get this data, right? So wait. So first of all, you just need to create standalone script file, not a folder. Standalone script file. Standalone script file. We will write his name is Axios HTTP request return JSON object. It is not a JSON P, it is a JSON object, right? If there is a padding here, if you get the padding over here, it will be a JSON P object, including padding, but it is not a padding, so JSON object. We will write a shortcode to get a list of this in the form of object. So first of all, let's start now. So function get data. So variable ss equals to spreadsheet dot open by URL URL is this one, paste it here, right? Variable sheet, very simple coding, get sheet by name is sheet 1, right? Now variable get data sheet dot get range is E1 dot get data reason dot get values. So log data. Run it, check it. We will get an array of array, right? First I will need to give the permission. Allow. Yeah, this is array of array, right? So let's start. Now set a variable like array. Okay. Now we will get our headers, right? Headers. So what is the header? Look at this. Run again. This is the heading, right? First array is a heading. sorry, the headers is equals to data 0. This is our array, headers array, right? Logger log headers, run it, check it. Now this is the heading, right? So now we got a heading. Now run it, a loop, variable I is equals to 0, then I less than data of length. This will give the row number of rows on the table. So I plus plus, right? So let's check this again. Now data dot length. Five. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of rows 5, right? Correct. Right. Now let's start now. So first of all, we will create an object. Now, why I am creating an object? This one. Well, this one. Control H. Control H. This one. Right. So this is a object having a heading of the table and their values. Another object key is the heading, right? Every data has the same thing. Right? We need to create an object here. Now so let's have a for loop again. Variable j equals to 0 dot j is less than data I, right? First object na data I dot length, then j plus plus yeah. Always look should be passed. So what is now fill the object? Now object is headers. The number of header is first is j, so that name come first, then value data I, right, and data j, right? Now object is filled up completely with this formula. This creation is very simple. No. Logger log object, run it, check it. So place is place, name goes to name, then place, name, place, name, place, name, place, name. That's it. So comment this. Okay, run it again. Why name? It will be started from first heading, right? So it is name goes to name, place goes to place, then completely. So it is coming up this one, right? So logic is we will to avoid this one. So first array should be started 1. Now start. Okay. First array should be started from 1. Ek 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Rahul and D. So this is Rahul and this is D. Okay. It is perfect. Now we are getting the object. Now we have an array. Yeah, here it is. This one array. So push it. Array dot push. Pushing what? Object. Right. Finish it. And now check logger log array. Right. Run it. So you are getting a array of object, right? Now return it. Return array. Return to where? So this is my function. Okay. Now again write a function like doGet. doGet. Okay. Now variable is result is equals to get data. It will be an array. This one. The result equals to, now we will need to stringify this, right? So let's start with JSON.stringify, right? Stringify what? Result. So check now logger log result. Get. So we are getting the stringify just one object, right? Stringified. Now we are sending it to using an API like this one. So very simple. Variable value is equals to content service dot create text output from result dot set MIME type is equals to content service dot MIME type dot JavaScript and return value. So this is our API ready. Okay, perfect. Now choose classic and publish it. Choose even anonymous, running as a me. Updating. Copy. Control T, paste it. Check. Yes, we got it. Absolutely correct. Name, and place. Right? So our API is ready. Now we have to create a notepad entry. Lots of entries there. So what I will decided, I just create a HTML file here. Right? Cut. Create again and paste it here. Okay. Head section is there. Body. So first of all, we will create a button. Button will be button Axios send request. Right now, save नहीं किया. Let it be saved. Axios http request return JSON object .html. Very simple. Okay. Now select ID is equals to SLT style margin 30px 50px and okay 30px top right bottom left. So bottom left is 60px. Sorry, complete. Close it. Select option is completed. Complete. So now let's look at right. Obviously there is nothing, we will not get anything. Okay, now place a script tag. Right. So let's start. Constant URL. What is our URL? Okay, this is our URL API. Save it. Windows plus up arrow to maximize. Windows plus up arrow. Let's do this fastest way. So document get element by ID button, right? B dot add event listener. I will take this like this one. Let's try this one. Create function. Right, so let's do this. First of all, we will use Axios.get. Before that, we need Axios minified JSON, right? So Control T, JS deliver.net Axios minified.js. Here we go. CDN. Okay. Where is the CDN? इतना टाइम नहीं है दोस्त, फटाफट कर लेते हैं. सो हेडिंग मेटा, चलिए मैं डाल देता हूँ उसको कॉपी पेस्ट करके कहीं से. So here we go, paste it. Right. JSON string. Right. So we'll send an Axios request, Axios.get equals to URL. So what is our here? Very simple. Then it will return a response again, right? You can write like this one, okay, or you can use it like this one. Anything you want, you can take, right? So first of all, we will check the response. What is we are getting? Log, console log, yes. Okay, now save it, run it, press F12 and enter. Refresh, enter. Now, because our listener is not working because I have found initially, right? Now, click. Yeah, we got the data array of 4. This is an array of 4, right? Correct. This is our data, right? It is bypassing the CORS. Okay, so no cache, no store, maximum limit, headers is there. Request. This is our URL and upload. Status is 200 successful, right? So once again, just keep it so that I can win like this. Data copy console. Console.log data. Response of data. Response of data. So response.data, you will get the data in the form of array of object, right? Array of object. We can pass the headers, status, configure everything like this one. Attach status and everything you want. But personally, we will get only data. I'm only interested in data. Comment, leave it. Let's start again coding. So it is an array of object. So variable array underscore object, array of object data. Let's do this. The response dot data, right? What is our length? Array underscore length. So response dot data dot length. Very easy, right? Now we got the length for variable I is equals to 0, I less than array underscore length equals to I plus plus. Right? Let's start. So what we need just print console log. So this is alias as data wicket I closed. Well, done this one. Okay. Let's F5. Yes. So we are getting an object, right? Now we need to fill it console.log array. How would you get the keys of that object? So it is very easy. Object data I. How would you get the key of that object? So this is object na, object dot keys, and you will mention here is object name. You will get the key, right? So object dot keys cut paste. Let's see what we are getting. Comment out. F5 enter. Syntax error is there. Array auto double parenthesis. Press enter. And we will get the key 0 and 1. Length is 2. So let's fill it wacky. So we are getting an object so this is an array plus F5 request. There is only two console is there. Name this one, name this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so this is an object and this is the key, right? So this is, it will give me a key, variable first key. Zero. Second key. F5 press. We have not put it in console dot log first first key. Can we do this one? Yeah, we can do it. Name place, name place, name place. Okay. So we are interested in first. So let's do this. Variable x is equals to document get element by id slt select variable option not document dot create element name is option. Option हो गया. Now option dot text, fill the text. And so what we will fill? We will fill this is our data, and where is our key? First key or second key? First key. So this. Okay. First key. Now x dot add key. If you are getting any catches with matches, dot ctch catch errors equals to console.log is equals to error dot messages. I hope it is right. If there is any error, it will show. Yeah, it is right, and the thing is going in the right direction, right? It is filled up. So we are getting an object where I filled this one. Very nicely. Now if we are using second key, it will fill the second. Right. The places is filled. This one. If you are filling it, it will fill this one. There. So we can change this as per our requirement. Right. So in the last, if you want, right, send a CORS request. Function dot doPost request. Let's see what we get. Everything will be similar. Right. Difference will be dot JSON. Comment this out. JSON object, run. Editor. We are getting the same result. Can we use JavaScript with this? Basically, it is used for sending a padding. Yeah, same result. Not JSON. Right. So deploy it as error. Deploy it. Right. Yeah, there is an error. CORS policy. CORS policy error. Right? Because we have sent it here get. We need to send it post. Now look at this and run it and close it. If you choose to post, you have to mention here the post request. If you choose get, you need to send a get. Otherwise, you will give you a CORS error in get. Now look at this. Oh, sorry. This one. CORS error, right? This is the CORS error. So you can open both of together. Now CORS error. There will not be a CORS error because when both are function not commented, then it will automatically check the doGet function. Yeah, this one. Right? If you open doPost and doGet both, you are sending get, it will not show any CORS error. Right? If you send post request, UST post, even it will not show any error. Same result. Right? So keep both function uncommented. So that's all from my side. This is the function. We'll see you in next video. Bye bye.